10, 10.19 and 20. So we will put the point here gently. Then we drag the needle and we will cover both the point with one needle. So this is very wonderful for the pain on the same side of the shoulder, sciatica pain of the opposite side, and very good for lungs and asthma and cough and cold, rhinitis, sinusitis, all the lungs conditions. So even for the lungs problem we can put both point together, but for her we have put for the shoulder pain, so we are putting on the same side of the shoulder pain.